just flew. Spin the globe and close your eyes. I'll go anywhere.
Kumusta ka, Shal?
Ay, kumusta ko man po, kagalang-galang.
Ano yun? Mag-nervous na ka?
Let's stop thinking about it. The world will go on without us.
Sa pakipong ginto, yung damdalang yung katwangan. Ano ka po? Baluwam.
Good morning, John. Yan niya, chuta mo kayong preparasyon na ning kasal ng Jod at saka yung Fritz. Abi at ala rin kaya katamong aboy, may seryoso lo, oh.
Ano ko yan nangingin?
Nang mensahe mo kayong kasal ng wali tangin.
Itong na yan, makagaga. Kasi syempre, sobrang saya. Kasal ng Jod, congratulations, Jod and Fritz. Sana, after 6 months, muktot ka ulit.
Lago mo. Ay hindi yung kakasal, Jod. Relax niya mo. Manayayak yung kasal. Oy, bunsuta mo. Nang message mo kang ko yun. Congrats. Talagang dakalya sabihan mo, masayaya talaga mo naman. Sa amin dito lahat, sinong pinakagwapo?
Grabe.
Oo, sinong pinakagwapo?
Dito lang.
Oo, dito lang.
Ikaw?
Siyempre.
Nakaharap ka lang.
Thank you, Shana.
This freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy. So are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. And while we're out there, we can see the Grand Canyon. It's been on my list since I was a little kid.
Yan ni Joa, beta yung kanakong tatang, Mayor de Mandato. Paano ang message mo kan Jud nyening aldong kakasalyo?
Siyempre, best wishes at panalangin ko na maging matatag yung pamilya do? At masaya. At good future for them, kayong kanilang pamilya. And God bless always. At panay kang masaya, yung pamilya asawa. And all the best wishes and may your heart's desire na talagang akamtan mo. Congratulations and best wishes, Jude and Richard. Siyempre, good luck always. At continue to be loving. And always happy.
Yan ni Joe pakyat tamo. Lawen tayo lareng bridesmaid, Abe Fritzel. At siya tamo kening nuwan, kening bacolor. Ining metong abay tamo, hi. Eh, ikaw pala hindi
Hello!
Na message mo kang wali mo.
Siyempre, congratulations ka rin adwa. And sana, di na no pang matatag ang pamilya ni nga pong Gino at dakal pang anak. Ne?
Alang mag-honeymoon.
Ang gina naman. Ala pa mag-honeymoon. Next year na mo.
Betala rin bridesmaid niya ni. Bigla na. Say hi. Wow. Nang mensahe mo Fritzel and June.
Congratulations and best wishes. Yun lang.
How about you?
Pikachu.
Wow, nice message. Ikaw, Mosh.
Congratulations.
Wow. Happen eh.
Napakainin
Wow.
ko talaga.
Ikaw na message mo ka rin kakasal.
Sakala na.
Thank you Happy din rin bridesmaid tamo. Pilang ko ang kanya?
1.
16. Anak mami lang 16 naman. Bakit? Ay. Kamusta naman? Pangalago mo?
Good, thank you.
Ano?
Good.
Na-mensahe mo ka rin kakasal?
Siyempre, may kakalugod. Yung importante yung dili ito. Yung lugod yung manatili kong karelang puso. Aliko.
Alika.
Thank you. Yes.
Ay mo na yung malala. Joe.
Joe, dalaga mo. Nagdadala.
This is what it's like to feel alive. Yeah, strapped to Vegas, you're on Mercedes. Just wondering, just take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy.
Joe nga niya chuta na kempis ng Banin San Guillermo para kayang kasal ng Jude and Fritzel. Akit talang yan rin abay makapila tamo rin ninong at ninang at chula naman Joe. Pangabagya magmarchata na papunta kayang altar para sa baybayan yung kasal ng Jude and Fritzel. Hi Mosh. Kenny ka rin pala kinasal year 2020. Tapos nga ni magatan kayo ulit. Ay rin rin anak, flower girl, King, Bible bearer, kapitan. Wow. Let me set up. Ayan ni King. Abe no ring abe ng ring bearer. Ay ni Summer Dalaga. Hi Sam, say hi. Anong message mo? Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Yan sa camera. Happy birthday. Then message mo kina Jude.
Congratulations on your wedding day. Sana healthy kayong buhay and sana good luck.
Okay. Ano masasabi mo sa kanya? Maganda ba siya, Sam? Maganda siya?
Oo.
O ito, Jo. Abayan nyo kami po ito.
I've dreamed 1,000 times before of you in white, standing at the door, holding flowers in your hands, walking slowly, step by step. Every moment led us here, through every joy and every tear. We crossed the storms, we faced the rain, but love remained, it never changed. Now you're standing here right in front of me, a vision more than I could ever dream. You said the best is yet to come, it's true, but my love, the best is simply you. Loving you's the greatest thing I've done. Loving you's the luckiest I've won.
Senador Lito Lapid, congratulations, Senador.
Salamat po.
Salamat po kayo pa mo tayo kay Bacolor.
Opo.
Nano pong message yung aring kinasal ay nainakyo po i-Jude at saka i-Fritz.
Itapi na rin, kinasal na rin, Jakadwano anak.
Opo.
Sana sa mas na be understanding la.
Opo, Sen.
Pati,
Opo.
kailangan abutan din golden to silver. Ayan.
Thank you.
Kumabapay ka rin pamiyabera. Salamat po.
Nano pong sa iyo po ka rin kinasal kan Jude at saka Fritz?
Of course, congratulations and best wishes and siyempre makaba kayo pa muna naman na lakbayan. Sana panay kayong miyabi at na naman yung problema, yan lang pasan yan, basta misasabi kayo kung atwa.
Ngayon ni Joe Abet, tala rin mga slum. Okay, birthday na rin L. Okay. I love you. Joe Achuta na kening Kingsboro, kening San Fernando, Pampanga. Happening setup ni kasalanan Jude at Fritzel. Abet aya naman ni Jacob ngayon ni Joe. Manaya tamo at mamangal na rin tao kalwal habang panayan tayo mag-start in kekatamang program. Thank you for watching, Joe.
Let's stop thinking about it. The world will go on without.
Nanong puri mong apelo?
Para kakasal, siyempre, to have a good life.
Wow. Kadamdami na ng message mo.
Siyempre, they should have a good life. They should have a happy,
Wow, thank you
good
po.
life.
Take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, but so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. You've got that iPod from 06.
Fritz and Jude, best wishes sa inyo. Always happy.
Prince and Jude, God bless you.
Wow, God bless you too.
God bless you too.
Po, Kuya Jude, Ate Fritz.
Nung achoy iba na achoy naman ni Aramin. Aramin, message mo. Message.
Kanino?
Kako.
Hi, Jong.
Oo, kakasal.
Congrats sa dalawang kinasal.
Oo. Pa-message mo.
Makarami kayo.
Wow. Buri ko rin ginto. Muro sana. O na-message mo ka ng kakasal.
Siyempre, congratulations.
Kabayad na rin message siya.
Mabayad na. Nakapagyak na.
And while we're out there, we can see the Grand Canyon. It's been on my list since I was a little kid.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko sana itanong, sure na ba kayo? Pero tapos na pala. Wala na tayong magagawa, no? Walang tumutol. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. I wish you nothing but the best and more kids. Tapos pag sobrang dami na, pahiram ako kay Savia.
Ako naman, mag-wish lang ako sa'yo. Sana ikaw naman next.
By the way, thank you sa pag-ulay, couple.
Sana enjoy lahat-lahat na the rest of your time with your kids. Tsaka kayo, have a blessed wedding. Maybe you find peace with your sacred ngayon. No?
Congratulations sa Consi Jude and Fritz, best wishes. Lalo na Consi Jude. Mag-start na kanyan, being a counselor. Basta atsuko mo Kenny. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Again, congrats.
Thank you, sir. Hello, guys. Ay, ulat kayo, no? Na-message ko kan Jude at saka ang Fritz, sir.
God bless.
Tuglungan na, one word. Jude.
Fritz. Congrats.
Baby Sabio. Good kung payabot karela na masaya ko kayong pamangasal ng Consial Jude na
Kang Jude, baloy naman ever since binyag pa, inaanak ko na yan. Masating na yung libanang yan. At least bilang manungkulan, basta yung panay kung panabiling kaya panay na ang pakyapusan ng nanoy, yung gawa ng pare ko kang mare ko. Alam mo, at balo ko naman, yung inaanak ko yan, nakaganaka, malugod yung asawa. Congratulations anak, and sana dagdagan nyo rin ang pumi.
Buri mo sabihan, nung masalese yung making asawa itatang ko.
Uwa naman!
Dapat pagyapusan
basta kalupa ng pare ko, kalupa ng sinabi ko. Itang takot, tara nito. Basta sinabi ng pare, muli.
Manibad yan kang Mayor Badi doon ka. Yanita naman kang Consalbong San Pedro. Message mo rin kinasal.
Ojo, I second devotion. Kita mo, I second devotion. Congrats and best wishes.
Metong mo naman ninong ng Jude, Consul Rick Yalong. Mensahe po ka rin ngayon po.
Jude, balo ko, malungkot kang asawa. Nung naman tang iyong pami kaintindi at yung ninong mo pong ninang Kenny. Lalong-lalo na yung Mayor Badi. Nung naman tang maging problema, gandang ayusan. Ito na pagkabukas. At yung Kenny, makabulak kaya pasbul, yung ninong ang papang ninang.
Jude and
Fritzel. Ini Joa, betala rin abay tamo. Mag-hi na ko man. Hello.
Ojo, hi!
Alam mo masalese Kenny. Magsimula na yung programa. Ay yung asawa ko, yung partner ko. Nakalagyo.
Ako po yung Engineer Jolina Dato. Pasamonte.
Wow. Namin sa'yo mo kayong kinasal.
Best wishes kayo man. Congratulations.
Best wishes. Kayong church daw.
Congratulations kayong church wedding. Best wishes.
Congratulations, best wishes, and more birthdays, more babies to come.
Ikaw, Mara, na-message mo.
Baby number 3.
Mara, na-message mo.
Congrats, kuya and ate. Sana may 10 sabyo pa.
Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. I know I'm crazy, crazy about you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. What if we walked into the airport and bought a ticket at the counter and just flew? Spin the globe and close your eyes. I'll go anywhere thinking about it, the world will go on without us. We'll disappear somewhere. If it's you and me, I'll be there. Let's drive to Vegas, your old Mercedes. Just wander aimless, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, but so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. You've got that iPod from 06 with all the songs we know. Oh well, we hi. Say hi. Gas station. Smile. Hiking. Love you. Baka ng hiking. What fruit is this, King? What is this? Louder. Dragon fruit. Yung kaburiging yung dragon fruit. One more. Louder. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Pupuwenda para ining kasal ng Jude at saka Fritzel. At shoot na 10,000 pesos level mo naman. Wow, feeling ko Jo, ako na ining manyambot Kenny.
The name is similar to a winner earlier. The name is similar to a winner earlier. MJ Cabrera nandito ka pa! Miss MJ Cabrera, congratulations!
Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. I know I'm crazy, crazy about you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas, baby.
May the fire of your love burning, keep burning.
How about you?
Congratulations, Jude and Fritz!
How about you? Name?
Congratulations! Wish you a lifetime of love and happiness.
Yes, thank you to Dato family, Pinlock family, tumayas ka rin akong kapatid, kung mama, kung papa. Magkarang ng basita, Fritz, welcome to the family.
Let's stop thinking about it. The world will go on without us. We'll disappear somewhere. If it's you and
Bye. Bye. No more.
Okay.
Mag-bye ka pa yung video.
Okay, bye-bye. You always take care.
let's stop thinking about it. The world will go on without us. We'll disappear somewhere. If it's you and